Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is the latest creation from Yasmin Boland, our moon goddess, I like to call her, because she does all the moon decks. And this is the Dark Moon Oracle, and the artwork is by Lindsay Kokoska. Okay, so this is the guidebook that comes with it. Now, what does it say on the back? These are round cards, by the way. So embrace the potent energies of the dark moon and emerge renewed, empowered, and ready to welcome positive change. The 48 cards of this powerful oracle invite you to release fears and limiting thoughts that hold you back. Through the act of surrender and honouring both your light and shadow, you'll create space for healing and new beginnings and feel empowered to shape your reality on your own terms. I'm sold to you. This is definitely something I would enjoy. Okay, so it's a Hay House deck. It's a little flip top box. Inside it says, when you're ready for the truth, ask the dark moon. Honor the beauty of letting go. The seeds of new beginnings are waiting. Let's have a look at the book. So within the booklet, well, it's quite a comprehensive book, as in there's quite a lot of pages. So she will always explain at the very beginning the concept of the deck, okay, and then the different, how to read them, and then usually the different. So you've got the introduction there. Okay, so that's the introduction, secrets, then she explains an awful lot more about how that you would work with this deck, the 4 suits. So she's got lots of how to start with it, how to cleanse it, and then how to do some readings, and then how to interpret the cards. And you've got basically the card meaning and then additional meanings for the cards. So very comprehensive. Another little gem from Yasmin. Okay, now round cards. Jury's out for me on round cards, but I know that a lot of you do enjoy them. And this is a new concept. I've not seen her do a... Right, okay, the card quality is very good. It's thick. It's a matte. The back of every single one of them is obviously the same. There are 40... What did I say there were? 44. Of course, my pea brain. Then 48, sorry. Right, so I bet you some of you will retain that. So you've got basically the image, one, and begin again. So you've got the message. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. Now I'm going to go through these, obviously, for you. And then if you want to speed me up, then you can. If you want to slow me down and take your time looking through these gorgeous cards and maybe kill my voice, that's entirely up to you. Yeah, stunning. You can feel an emotional connection to them, and that's obviously the intention. So you may have just the one word, and even the one word alone should really give you an indication of kind of the energy of the card, and then you'll get the deeper meaning from the book. Yeah, they're really good quality, these. They're quite thick cards, very nice. And yet they glide through. They're a lovely soft texture. There's Lilith. We've got the Lilith. Trying to remember what we've got for the Lilith now. For some reason it's ringing around in my brain, honestly, today. I think the heat's addled me. I use my excuses, don't I? I'm pretty sure I'm making excuses every time I'm doing an unboxing these days. Oh, lovely. I give you blessings, all of you watching this. Lovely. Oh. Yeah, there's something in these. There's definitely something in these for me. I feel it. I don't know if you do too. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love to know. And the reason being, it's nice if you can talk to each other, But also it's nice to know, because then I get an indication of how the deck is going to be received in the store. Okay, so that is, or those are, the Dark Moon Oracle, her latest work of art and wonder, our moon goddess, Yasmin Boland. Okay, thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.